Good morning. This is the first sunny day we've had in a long time, so we're really excited. We're going to go ice skating in Market Square, downtown Knoxville. It's the last day they're doing it, so thankfully we're able to get one in this year. And then after that we're going to go to Ijams Nature Center. We're going to catch up with Megan and hang out with them, and hopefully it'll be a fun day. How do they feel? They feel good? Hi, welcome to Historic Market Square. Today we're doing some ice skating. Hi, Siege.
I got about a minute.
You got about a minute? We're doing some ice skating in Knoxville's Historic Market Square. They do this every year. Is she in frame too?
No.
She can be in frame too.
Holidays on Ice.
Holidays on Ice. That's what it's called. Holidays on Ice. They do it here in Market Square every year.
Here's your go.
Yeah? Hi. Hi. Okay, thank you. Alright, you can push that red button.
Hi, Shaylin.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Why?
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, are you taking your video?
Yes.
Last time I put my tooth on. Oh, do you know what two L's are spelled together? A W, winner.
Everybody have fun?
Yeah.
Good. We're gonna go get some lunch now. Onwards. Okay, we're having ice cream for lunch. What flavor ice cream are you gonna get, Zan?
The best flavor ever.
A root beer churn?
No, no, a cookie dough.
A cookie dough churn. Does it have whipped cream on it? What do you want? It's all good. It's all good. Chocolate and sweet pea. Sweet cream. Sweet pea would be horrible. Chocolate and sweet cream. Sweet pea ice cream. I think that's it.
No.
Thank you.
30 of
Looking good? Excellent.
So good.
Okay. Oh, actually, CJ, that looks more exciting than I thought it would. You excited about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to Ijams Nature Center. This is a marble quarry that we're standing in front of, and back in the early 20th century, Knoxville was known as the marble capital of the world.
But there are some monuments in Washington.
There are some monuments.
Pink marble. So fun fact, the pink marble is not actually marble, it's limestone. But this area still made a whole lot of money mining it, quarrying it, blowing it up, carving it into things. Another fun fact, my family's been working on renovating our house for
about a year, nearly?
Yeah, felt like about 50 years. But the house used to be owned by a blacksmith who made tools for finishing the chunks of marble.
That's
so there
cool.
are random slabs of marble all over the property where we live. It's really weird.
Oh, that's very cool. I didn't realize. Actually, Mike was pointing out there's lines in the marble, which I'll zoom in on a few, and that's where the actual explosive material was packed in.
Wait, there's Mike. Hi, Mike.
Hey, Mike. Thanks for that bit of information. I'm an engineer. Hey Fletcher, how's it going?
Awesome.
Awesome! Kaylin, you need to be incredibly careful what you're doing right now.
Okay.
Were you gonna climb all? You weren't gonna climb all the way up here, were you?
I was.
I wouldn't recommend it.
She told me that she wanted.
Amazing. Sandy!
Ew, get off! I'm finally to the ground!
Okay, final thoughts.
Oh! I almost died.
It could have been a bad situation. I'm the one holding the camera, however, so you only have to focus on more walking. That was physical humor. I get it.
Look, this is quagmiry. It's dangerous.
It is. It's okay.
Dangerous.
That was Meat's Quarry, the keyhole. It wasn't Meat's Quarry. That's the one with the water in it.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
When we edit this, we're gonna put a title at the bottom of the screen right now saying which quarry that it was.
We are going
and
to.
go.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
I'm pointing
Look
to
at it right
yeah,
now. Okay. I wasn't even in the frame right then.
I think you may have
I'm not
have
that
been.
tall.
I don't know.
I think I'm shorter than you.
Okay.
By quite a lot.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Is that it? Is that?
Do it.
Okay.
Like, subscribe, thumbs up. All right.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Xanthi's making it rain down soggy wet leaves on
Look, show
everybody.
the camera.
I'm showing the camera. Let's not do that
No.
anymore, though.
Wait, is it facing you? No, look.
Yeah, but then debris comes down, so let's not do it anymore.
What's debris?
This stuff that's falling all over Mike.
Yeah.